guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa and today I am going to share my detailed hair care routine with you guys for this hot humid weather. And yes, I change my hair care routine with the weather because my hair becomes extremely frizzy and rough during this weather, so I change up the entire routine, and today I'm going to share that routine with you guys so that you can also get this silky soft hair. I know my hair looks short because I just around a month or so I got a haircut because of this summer. It's so hot, I just can't handle long hairs, so I just cut my hair short in the summer. Every summer I do it. You can see my hair looks extremely soft and smooth because honestly guys, I take very good care of my hair. I take special steps to ensure that my hair feels extremely soft and smooth and also very nourished and strong from the roots itself. So guys, for me personally, healthy hair and healthy scalp is very essential, because if your hair is healthy from the roots, then only you can style your hair any way you like. So guys, oiling your hair is a must for healthy hair and healthy scalp. There is no alternative to oiling your hair. If you skip this step, then your hair is going to be damaged from the roots itself. So please do not skip this step. Always oil your hair before washing your hair. At least once a week you have to oil your hair. You can choose any oil of your choice according to your hair concern, but for few weeks now I have been using La Organo's Argan Oil. This oil is a blend of a lot of different oils like avocado oil, almond oil, walnut oil, even tea tree oil. It also has onion extract that is extremely important for a good hair health. It controls your hair fall as well. Argan oil, if you have never used argan oil, it basically provides deep moisturization to your hair. So argan oil is very nice, very moisturizing for our hair. This oil has helped me moisturize my hair and my scalp very deeply. It nourishes our scalp and stimulates hair growth. So this oil is very nice, and the best part of this oil is it feels extremely light on our hair. Normally a lot of oils like mustard oil or sesame oil, if you have used, they feel very heavy and thick on our hair, so it is very difficult to use it during the daytime. This oil doesn't feel sticky or greasy. It feels very light on my hair and I can use it in the daytime as well. It's been 6 days I have not washed my hair, and you can see my hair still looks very soft. I always take oil in a small ball. I apply oil with my fingers directly to my roots. You can warm up the oil before using. I massage the oil on my scalp very gently with my fingers. This will help improve blood circulation and stimulate hair growth. Argan oil is very good for hair growth and also prevents hair loss. I apply oil to the ends of my hair as well. This massage feels so good guys, very relaxing. You must try this. I have applied almost 2 tablespoons of oil to my hair. I am using La Organo's Aloe Vera Gel on my hair. This aloe vera gel is so gentle and has no harmful chemicals in it. It is a clear gel with no smell to it. It is non-sticky and non-greasy, pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel provides deep conditioning to our hair, prevents split ends, and also protect our hair from sun damage and pollution. I use just a tiny bit of aloe vera gel to my ends every single day. You can see I have no hair fall at all. I love this aloe vera gel a lot, and the ingredients are extremely clean. There is no added alcohol or paraben or sulfate into it. There is no added fragrance also. It is an extremely gentle product, and I use it for both my skin and hair every single day, and I love it. I use aloe vera gel on a regular basis every single day. I am glad that I found this one. This aloe vera gel is a must have, you guys. If you use aloe vera gel every day, try this one. You won't regret buying this. Now coming to hair mask, I don't really use hair mask every week or before washing my hair every time. I use it normally once or twice a month, especially when I am traveling or I have styled my hair and there are some leave-in products on my hair. They can really be very damaging. So at that time I use hair mask. I use yogurt hair mask, and I use egg hair mask. They both are very nice. There are DIY hair mask all over YouTube. You can get any. I have also shared a yogurt hair mask on my channel. I will put the link in my description box if you want to check that out. I also use Mother's Purse Dust Mule hair lip. It is also very nice, especially if you are having extreme hair fall. You can use Mother's Purse Dust Mule hair lip. It is extremely nice, you guys. I have used it last winter and it controlled my hair fall very efficiently, so I really like that one. If you are suffering from hair fall, then you can try that. It is very nice. Now when it comes to shampoo, I am very selective about shampoos. I do not use any shampoo with sulfate in it. Sulfate is extremely harmful for our hair and our scalp as well. It can make our hair extremely dry and can cause extreme hair loss. If you are having hair fall and you are doing everything right and still you are having a lot of hair fall, check the ingredient of your shampoo. It must have some sulfate in it. That is why you are getting hair fall. So I have been using La Organo's Argan Oil shampoo for a while now, and I'm so glad I found this one. When I use some hair care products, I go for their entire hair care range, the entire range, so that it will be more effective on my hair. I'm glad that I found this one because this one is really very nice. The ingredients are so clean and natural. This shampoo has a lot of good clean ingredients, natural ingredients in it, and it has argan oil that we all know makes our hair extremely nourished and moisturized. This shampoo has no sulfate, no paraben. It makes our hair shiny, smooth and healthy, helps stop split ends and hair fall. This has argan oil, vringraj, rita, shikakai and lot of other natural ingredients. It comes with a pump that I really appreciate. Makes it easier to use. I do not wash my hair more than once a week. I wash my hair only once a week, and I oil my hair twice a week, and I use aloe vera gel towards the end of my hair every single day at night time. I do not wash my hair more than once a week because you know your scalp produces natural oil. That is very essential for your hair health. If you use shampoo on your hair more than once or twice a week, then all those naturally producing oil from your scalp will be lost and your scalp will become very dry and rough, and you will have dandruff and you will have hair loss. So try to wash your hair just once a week. If necessary, you can wash twice, but not more than that. It is not advised. And never use hot water on your hair. You can wash your hair with warm water, but please do not wash your hair with hot water. It is really very dangerous for your hair health. And also do not comb your hair while it is still wet, because when your hair is wet, it is extremely fragile and you can end up losing a lot of hair. The steps that I follow are very hydrating and moisturizing for my hair because I use aloe vera gel on my hair every day and I oil my hair regularly, so I don't feel the necessity of using conditioner. But if you feel that you are having extremely dry hair, then you can use any conditioner you like. La Organo also has some conditioners you can try, but for me my hair is naturally soft and straight, and I follow a very healthy hair care routine, so I don't feel the necessity of using conditioner. I will provide all the details about La Organo and the products I talked about here today. I will provide all the links and all the details in my description box. You can buy La Organo products on their official website. Also they are available on Amazon, I guess. So I will provide all the details in my description box. You can check them out. If you feel like my hair care routine is helpful and interesting and healthy and helped you, do share my videos with others as well, and do not forget to subscribe to me, because guys, I need all of your support. I will catch you guys next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.